Hi guys, it's Mr. Redelia. I'm just gonna show you how to do DBA number 4. So remember, first we go over here to Spanish beginning to your course, and what I want you to do is to copy and paste your questions right into a document. You see where the questions are, and just highlight and do a copy and then paste them into a Word document. And here we are. So remember, when you're answering the questions, remember to use the same verb as in the question. So for example, ¿cómo estás? I hope you all know what that means. That means how are you? ¿Cómo means how. Estás means you are or are you. So the I form would be, instead of está, estoy bien. That means I'm fine. Or you can say estoy mal, I'm bad or I'm doing badly. Or you can say estoy así, así, so so. Any one of those would work. Remember, I have my uh, speller checked to Spanish. You just go to languages, set proofing language, and I set it to Spanish El Salvador, which is where I come from. So it will recognize when you're typing Spanish. Next question is ¿Cómo es tu mamá? Remember, this does not mean how is your mom or dad, papa. It means how is your mom, meaning what do your parents look like? What does your mom look like? And they want you to use two adjectives, okay? So again, you need to look to your lessons. Remember, don't use the same answers that I'm using here. This is just an example. And we're going to highlight this word so we can copy and paste it since it has the accent mark. Mi mamá es. So what do you want to say? You can say all kinds of different words here. You can say muy simpática. Okay. You can say, well, he's asking you for two adjectives. Y muy alta. She's very nice and very tall. Or if you're talking about your dad, you can say mi papa. Remember, it's not mama or papa, it's mama and papa. Mi papa es muy, what do you want to say? Bajo, short, y muy trabajador, hardworking. Okay? Or you can say muy eh, flaco, that means skinny. Or you can say muy grande, very big. And that doesn't mean like big as in heavy or fat. It's more like it's a big guy. ¿Cómo te llamas? You should know this by now, hopefully. Te means you. This means what is your name? ¿Cómo te llamas? Since it's using the word llamas, you need to change that word to the I form. And te is for you. For me, it would be me and then llamo. Okay, you take the AS out and you change it to an O. Okay, so you take the AS out, change it to an O. So me llamo Señor Rideli, for example. Okay, ¿Qué día es hoy? So let's say today is Monday. What day is today? Hoy, today, es lunes. Remember, you don't capitalize days of the week in Spanish. Mañana, do you know what that means? I hope you do. Mañana, see, I need to right click. Mañana es, if today is Monday, which is lunes, mañana es martes, Tuesday. Okay. ¿Qué estudias? Estudias means you study, and it's a question. So it's do you study? And ¿qué means what? What do you study? I study. Yo, again, you take the AS out and change it for what? For the I form, estudio. Inglés. I study English. Yo estudio. Oh, guess what? Has an accent. Matemáticas. Okay, that's math. Has an accent too. Donde means where. Está is the computer. Where is the computer? La computadora está. The computer is en la clase. The class or la escuela. The school. But again, you can say in your bedroom, you can say in the kitchen, you can picture the computer at your house. Trabaja means works. He or she works. The teacher, profesor, in the escuela. So what do you think the question is? Teacher works in the school is a question. Does the teacher work in the school? Si el profesor, the teacher, trabaja. Same as here. Does he work? He works en la escuela. So you have to say sí or no. But in this case, does the teacher work in the school? Yes. Okay. ¿Cuántos años tienes tú? How old are you? Okay. Yo tengo 15. And I'm going to copy and paste this. I know I had trouble with this when I tried to do it. Remember, to tell age in Spanish, you use the word tengo or tener or tienes, which means to have. And that's why you always say años, years. Otherwise, he says, I have 15. But in Spanish, technically speaking, you're saying I have 15 years old. Okay, so I have 15 years, meaning I am 15 years old. Okay. 15, you know what that means? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. De, of, donde, where, eres, are you. So how do you say I am for location? Remember, yo soy de, let's say you're from Panama City, Florida. See, it's underlined because he's looking at Panama as in Panama, the country, but it's Panama City, Florida. So in a case like this, you're just going to ignore all, and it ignores it. Okay. If you're from Miami, you say yo soy de Miami, Florida. If you're from Philadelphia, yo soy de Philadelphia, Florida. And you can always write those in English, remember, because they're proper names. ¿Dónde? Where? ¿Estás? Are you? Where are you? How do you say I am somewhere? Okay. Here you say soy. Why? Because you're describing something about yourself. Here, actually I said location here, which was wrong. Here is where you have location because it's asking you where are you? Where are you? So Yo estoy, that's I am, en la oficina, for example, if you're in the office. Okay, you can say en la casa, en, oops, en el supermercado, in the supermarket, en el cine, in the movie theater. Okay, ¿a dónde vas? Vas is to go. ¿A dónde means where? Where are you going? Vas to say I go. Voy a la escuela. I go to the school. Voy a Walmart. Voy a la casa. I go to the house. Okay, so I don't know why that's there, but okay, I think that's all of them. Uh, so I hope this helps you. Again, remember when they're asking you for years, please don't make this mistake. A lot of you say yo soy. That's not how it works. It's yo tengo. You need to read your lesson. Special use of tengo, of tener. Also, just to correct myself again over here, where it said, uh, where was the soy and estoy. I found that mistake. I made that mistake myself. Um, Here, yo soy de Panama City. You're talking about yourself. You're describing yourself. That's like when you say, yo soy alto. I am tall. Yo soy un estudiante. I am a student. You're talking about yourself. Yo soy simpático. Okay? But if you're talking about location, you say yo estoy en el cine. I am at the movies. Or if you're talking about emotions, yo estoy triste. I am sad. Yo estoy contento. I am happy. Another way to say contento that you are happy is feliz. Yo estoy feliz. Yo estoy muy triste. I am very sad. Okay? So you understand the difference. To speak about location, you use estoy. To speak about emotions, how you feel, okay, as far as emotions, you use estar. To describe yourself, or something, to tell me something about yourself, like you are from somewhere, you are sad, you are tall, no, you are sad, I'm sorry, you are tall, you are a student, you're describing yourself, not an emotion. I am nice, then you say soy. So soy is to describe yourself, including where you're from. Okay, estoy is to describe a location where you are or how you feel as far as emotions. I am sad. I am happy. I am also happy, feliz, muy triste, very sad. Okay, I hope that all makes sense to you guys, and I hope this video helps you, and I hope you were able to hear me better this time. Thank you.